Okay. So in this dictionary concept, I was covered what is dictionary, okay, how to access elements, clear, modifying or updating elements in dictionary. And we will discuss some more what are the methods or existing in dictionary. Those are I would like to cover here. Okay. So these concepts I would like to cover in this concept. This is also plays a key important role while we are solving the data science problems. List tuples dictionaries plays an important role while solving the data science problems. Let us try to understanding these concepts first. Okay? Then we will solving discussing some problems or some examples on these concepts. Okay, later on we will try to solve some data science problems also. Now, what is dictionary? Clear? So till now we're discussing list. List is a collection of ordered objects, and the list is mutable. The tuples are ordered collection of objects, and the tuples are immutable. A sets are collection of unordered objects, and the sets are mutable. Clear? So there are three concepts we are discussing in the previous class. So dictionary is a collection of key value elements. Key value, okay, it's a pair, a collection of pairs. A dictionary is a collection of pairs, and each and every pair consisting of each and collection of pairs. Okay. So in which each pair in which each pair is a key value pair. Is a key value pair. Okay. So let's see the syntax to declaring dictionary. Okay. And the dictionary elements are placed within the curly braces. Within the curly braces. And each and every key value pair in a dictionary is separated with comma. Clear? So each element separate each element is separated with comma, and the elements are enclosed in curly braces. Okay, so let's try to know the syntax of dictionary. Okay, dictionary D equal to, this is the name of the dictionary. First we will write dic name, date, dictionary name, that equals to, within the parentheses I will write some key 1 comma, so key 1 colon value 1 comma key 2 colon value 2 comma key 3 colon value 3 and so on, key n colon value n. This is the syntax of dictionary. Let's give an example. Student, I can take this like an example. Student equals to, okay, I can take as some keys name colon, can take as some name is some rows. Clear? For example, ID is a key, next key. Its ID, for example, I can take now some 554. Clear? I can take as one more thing is, for example, course. Okay, course. It is a string. That's why we can place it in the single quote. Course. For example, the course is taking some CSC. This is the dictionary. So in this dictionary, what are the keys? Name, ID, course are keys. RAS 554 CSC are values. So a dictionary is a collection of key value pair elements. Okay, now here the keys may be the keys, okay, may be a string or a number or numeric. The string, the key must be a string, or it may be a numeric. Okay, the value, okay, key value pairs, the value may be any arbitrary sequence. Any arbitrary sequence. That means the value may be a string or it may be numeric, or the value may be a list, the value may be a tuple, the value may be a set, it may be any arbitrary sequence. Okay, but the key must be these keys must be a string or numeric only. Clear? And one more thing is, in dictionary, the keys must be a unique. The keys must be a unique. The values may having any the values may be a duplicate. The values may be a duplicate, but the keys must be a unique. For example, once if I am specifying the name as a key, it's not possible to use another key as a name. Clear? Why? Because the keys must be a unique. The values may be or duplicate. It may be having any value. Okay, that is about dictionaries. Clear? So if you want to access, okay, so if you want to access access elements, okay. Now simply we're accessing elements with, okay, so date underscore name of, we will write the key, okay, equals to, okay, or value. Likewise, we may updating the value, or we will the take underscore name of key. Okay. For example, if I try to, for example, print of D of, okay, for example, I can take as the key is some name. Clear? So now D of name. What is D of name here? What is the output is the name having is called as RAS. Likewise, we have to access. We have to access the values of a dictionary. Access the values of a dictionary. Okay. For example, print of, okay. So D of, I can take as some course. Clear? So what is the, so what is the output we are expecting? So output, what is the D of course? What is the course here? CSC. So that's why output is CSC. Likewise, here access the values of a dictionary. Values of a dictionary. If you want to update the dictionary, okay, or if you want to modify the dictionary, modify the dictionary elements. If you want to modify the dictionary, clear? So how to modify the dictionary? So simply we have to modify, For example, I want to modify the course from, sorry, output is what is the course here? The course here it is from CSE, okay? So if you want to modify the course from CSE to, for example, ECE, what to modify means dictionary name of what I want to modify, course, colon, okay, colon, equals to, I can modify is with, for example, ECE, like this. Clear? Now, automatically the course value is updated to which one? EC. Clear? Likewise, we are modifying the elements of a dictionary. If you want to add one more thing is, for example, some D of some A's. I want to add the age of a student equals to, I want a some age is some 20. Clear? Now, the A's key is added to this dictionary with the value 20. With the value 20. Okay, this is briefly about dictionary. Let's try to execute these statements. Then we are discussing some more methods. So first, I would like to create dictionary with the statement. Okay, so let's go to our Google Colab. Okay, run this one. I would write some student here. Then run this one. Okay, so try to settings. Okay, clear? It was executed successfully. If I want try to some print that will be giving us some student. Clear? Let's see the output. The output is name, ROS, ID 554, course CSC. Clear? So if I want to, okay, know the print D of name. Print D of name. What is D of name here? Sorry. Sorry, what is the here dictionary name is some student, okay? That's why print student of name. Clear? What is student name here? Ras. Clear? So, for example, okay, let's here the name is student, okay? If you want to print student of course, print the student of course. What are the course value here? CSE. Clear? CSE. Clear? Likewise, we also access the particular elements, the values in a dictionary. The values in a dictionary. Clear? So now update the value or modify the value. For example, I want to update some student of, okay, I want to update some course. Okay, course is string. That's why I can place it in the double quote. Equals to, I can update it to ECU. Now the course is updated to ECU. Successfully run. Then try to again try to display the values of student, the dictionary key values of dictionary. Let's see, the course is updated which one? ECE. For example, if I want to add one more key value pair into the dictionary, for example, dictionary name is some student of, I want to add is column to some 20. Clear? Now add is key with value 20. Clear? Now let's try to display the student. Display the student. Now add one more key value pair is colon 20. Okay, so likewise, we may access or we may update or we may modify the dictionaries. Now, this is very simple, but in our real time, we need to know the what are the keys existing in a dictionary. Sometimes we know to know we know we need to know what are the values existing in a dictionary. Sometimes we know to need what are the key value pairs existing in a dictionary. So for such cases, we are using some methods. We are using some methods. Okay. So now, for example, if you want to access the keys in a dictionary, for example, first I would display what are the elements key value pair we have in dictionary. Then I can displace. These are the key value pairs we're having in a dictionary. Clear? Let's try to, if you want to know the keys in a dictionary, we are having the method called as student dot, the method is called as some keys method. It can display what are the keys we are having in a method. Name, ID, course is. Let's try to know, remember one thing, the keys and values of a dictionary can be written as a list. Let's carefully observe. Within the bracket, we're having all the keys. The keys of a dictionary is written as a list only. Similar way, if you want to know the values of a dictionary, simply you will write student dot clear values. Student dot values. So the student dot values returns all the values in a dictionary. All the values in a dictionary. Clear? So if you want to know, if you want to know, okay, key value pairs in a dictionary, then we are having the method called as student dot. The method is called as it is plays a main role when we are writing. When we are writing, so it can displace key value pairs as a list. These helpful when we are solving the problems. Let us later we will discussing some programs also. Let's try to understand these concepts: keys, values, and items. Values and items. Clear? So now these are the important methods: keys method, values method, and items methods. If you want iterating, okay, so all these uh, dictionary values, we are in some iterating method. For example, I can write some simple statement for, okay, I in student dot keys. Like this. I want to print. I want to know what are the keys we are having in a dictionary. Some print I. Let's try to do this one. Sorry. Output is ID, name, ID, course is. So we know that what is the difference between this one and this one? In this one, all the keys are written as a list. Each and every element is assigned to the I, and that what is the value associated to the I that can be displayed here. Here we are getting the entire thing as a list, but here we are getting the one by one element. So if you want to know what are the, if you want to access one by one element in a dictionary, then we are using these iterative statements. Similar way, okay, sorry, similar way, okay. So similarly, if you want to know the values in a dictionary, then we will write some values. Clear? Try to print this one. Clear? So, for example, if you want to know the key value pairs in dictionary,